Giveaway for the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 low. This giveaway ends at the end of October, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scotts. Good luck. This video is brought to you by Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. Check that out. This bag holds 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers, clothes, and a bunch more as well. And there's even a bottom compartment to store more sneakers as well. You also have some front compartments. These bags are high quality, tons of different colors, different styles. These bags are also TSA approved, so you can carry them with you on the airplane. Sole Premise has backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags. All bags are made and designed to store your sneakers when you're traveling. You also have room for your clothes, laptop, and a tons more space. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise's website and use my code DannyMoore for 40% off your entire order when you check out. Use my code DannyMoore. I personally love Sole Premise bags because they hold my sneakers safely and securely when I'm traveling. They have tons of space and they're very affordable, so make sure you guys check them out. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. Got him! The Air Jordan 1 lost and found. I've been waiting to do this video for a while. Here it is. I can't wait. Let's get into this. So right here, we have the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. And we're going to talk about, should you wait to buy them? Should you buy them now? What is going on with the resale price of these? It's absolutely crazy to talk about, to look at the market, to see what's going on. We have to discuss it, guys. I'm very excited for these. Woo! Sneaker of the year? Possibly? It's definitely up there. It's up there for discussion. I am so happy. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Ooh, because I'm going to do a few videos on the lost and found Air Jordan 1s that, trust me, you're not going to want to miss. I'm having a tough time opening this box. Let's get this open. I'm going to show you guys, tell you guys where I got these from. So make sure you guys check them out. Chicago Imperial. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll put up their Instagram. Got early shoes, and they have the best price out right now for the Jordan 1 lost and found. So if you're looking to buy them now, check them out. They're cheaper than apps and everywhere else. So right here we are. The Air Jordan 1 lost and found. My personal pair right here, size 11. I can't wait to wear these. I'm ecstatic, man. I'm hype. I'm hype. Here's the box. Very nice. They do have the label, and then you do have the extra sticker going on there. And this is actually a sticker that feels like you can peel it off. I don't think you actually can, but it feels like you can peel it off. Let's peel this off. Ooh, there's the tissue paper. I can't wait to see how cracked these are in person. Wow, okay. The Air Jordan 1 lost and found. What is going on with the market? Should you guys wait? Should you buy them now? Let's talk about what's going on with the lost and found Jordan 1s. But first, I gotta soak this in. I gotta soak these in. You know what I'm saying? Like, take it in. Woo! That smell. That smell is very nice. Here they are. The Air Jordan 1 lost and found. Take a look at the cracked leather there on the back. The white is also cracked. The swoosh is not cracked. And you do have like a sail midsole. It is almost white, but it's more sail, a little bit sail. Very, very nice. Ooh. Wow. They're very, very nice. The red leather is soft. Definitely soft around the ankle. The Wings logo. Looking a little different than normal because of the new cut. These are crazy, man. Wow, I'm ecstatic. I can't wait to wear these, toss these right on feet. You do have the Nike Air there. Cream tongue, off-white tongue, sail tongue, whatever you guys want to call it. Wow, the bottom, check that out. The bottom looks almost aged, which is the entire look of the shoe. These are incredible. These are incredible. You guys are definitely going to like them in hand a lot. a lot. Now, let's talk about what's going on with the resale prices of this sneaker. Should you guys wait? Should you buy them now? Is now the time to buy? In my opinion, no. I think you guys should wait it out a little bit. They're being backdoored as we speak. I will do a full video talking about the truth behind this release, the awfulness of this release, what's going on. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. Smash that subscribe button if you guys are not subscribed already. But yes, I do believe you guys should wait. I do think the market will drop more. I believe right now they're at around 500 to 600, 550 to 600, depending on size, which is a lot. You know, retail is 180, 5 to 600 for a Jordan 1 right off the jump. We haven't seen that in a while. I do think they will drop in price. They haven't released yet. November 19th, they're releasing in full family sizes. I do expect them to drop probably down. Some people are saying they're going to brick. I don't think they're bricking at all. I definitely see them dropping down to high 300s, low 400s. I think they'll drop and wind up being a very good hold. I think that's what's going to wind up happening. Similar to the Mocha 1s. You know, the Mocha 1s early were $500. Well, when they dropped, they were going for around $350. They were still up there around $350, $360. And look what happened. They quickly went up. It's back up to $450, almost $500. So I think something similar might happen with the Chicago's, well, lost and founds, whatever you guys want to call them, man. So yeah, I definitely suggest waiting. I think now's the time to wait it out, and then if you take the L, then go ahead and cop. And I think you guys should cop quickly after the release. You know, maybe wait a week tops, because I see them going up. I don't see them being a bad hold or dropping dramatically in price. Look, I was wrong about the patent breads. I don't think anything like that is going to happen with these. I really don't. I think the opposite. I think they're just going to be a very good hold, and people want these. Now, there is over 500,000 pairs, which is crazy. You know, there's reports of over 500K. Regarding that, yes, there is going to be a lot of pairs. However, if you guys notice, there's a lot of backdooring. So, with that being said, take that as you will when it comes to actually getting pairs on release date. Now, I am expecting a shock drop. I did a video yesterday talking about shock drop. I am expecting a shock drop soon on the sneakers app. I think we'll get it. I think like you'll, you know, be smart enough, wise enough to give us the shock drop, because that'll help more pairs go out to the public, less backdooring going on, right? If Nike drops, you know, 150,000 pairs, you know, that would really help. With a shock drop, that would be amazing. So, you know, do an early release. They're going to sell out no matter what. They're going to sell out. There's a lot of hype. There's a lot of demand. We haven't seen the sneaker since 2015, and we haven't seen it in this way ever, so it's something new. It's something new. This is a new cut. This is, you know, new details. Hey, guys, they come with two laces already on them, like, you know, a cream, you know, off-white sail, whatever you guys want to call it, colorway with the tongue, a little bit of the midsole, the cracking, of course, on the leather panels. Guys, it's something new and different. I just see them being very hype and in demand, which they are. Listen, these are going to be up there for shoe of the year for a lot of people. Myself included, I definitely think they'll be up there. I'm not sure if they'll be number one, but I definitely think they'll definitely be up there for me. Let me know your thoughts on that down below. Do you think that these are going to be sneaker of the year for you? Definitely up there in the conversation for me. Hey, it's a Chicago's. I've had Chicago's before, so I'm not too mind blown over seeing Chicago's again, if you feel what I'm saying. Listen, I've had the 2013, 2015. I caught both for retail, so I've been there when it comes to the Chicago's. I just never held on to them like an idiot, you know, like a dummy. So, it is what it is. But I have them. Here they are. Personal pair. I'm going to wear these, and you guys can see the detail on the bottom there, how it looks aged. And I want it to stay that way and not get all dirty. So I'm going to put Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom of these Lost and Found Jordan 1s when I wear them, to preserve the outsole, keep the outsole fresh, keep it looking brand new. So I have all this detail right here, how the shoe comes, even after I wear the sneaker. So no dirt will get on these at all with Drip Grip Sole Protectors. The best sole protector on the market. No slips, no tears, multiple wears. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description and use my code Danny10 at checkout from dripgrip.com. The best sole protectors on the market. I want to preserve that outsole and keep it this way. Keep it how it comes. And I'm going to use Drip Grip to go ahead and do that. And I recommend you guys doing the same for your lost and found Jordan 1s because it's all about the details. This sneaker is all about the details, the storytelling with them being vintage and how they would look. Apparently, how Nike thinks they would look, Jordan Brand thinks they would look from 1985 to now. Now, I have seen pairs from 1985. They're a little different than this. They're not cracked on the leather panels, on the white like that, right? The red is red and, you know, the cut is a little different. The tongue is a little colored, not as much as this, not creamed like this, but it is not perfectly white either, so I understand why they did that. I get it. Hey, I love the story. I love the theme. And these are fire. Straight fire. The Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Fire. Straight fire. I'm hyped for these. I think you guys should wait. Wait it out. And good luck on the release date, November 19th, because you're going to need some luck on this release. Trust me, 500,000 pairs is a lot, but I'm going to tell you guys this. Look at it this way. This is how I look at it. There's over 1 million pairs of Concords, Bred 11s, the Jordan 11 every year, right? Well, how come there's still resale on them? Because there's not enough pairs. There's not enough pairs, right? At the end of the day, it comes down to supply and demand. It comes down to hype, demand, people buying them, eating them up, wearing them, buying them like crazy. And there's just not being enough pairs out there. So there's always going to be resale on those Jordan 11s every year because it's the holidays. Well, 500,000, it might be the most produced Jordan 1 ever, but it's still simply not enough. So they're going to resell. It is what it is. 500K is simply not enough. I don't think even 1 million pairs of these would be enough, to be honest with you. Let me know your thoughts on that down below. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button, please. Make sure you guys join the More family. Smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to enter in the free Travis Scott giveaway. The giveaway ends very soon. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size. Jordan 1 Lost and Found, here they are. More content coming on these. Real versus fake coming up very soon. Make sure you guys subscribe. More content, more sneaker content on the way. And the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. It's fire. Straight fire. Woo! So happy to have them in hand. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found is fire. Straight fire. We out.